Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. It's been a while since I have done an unboxing, so I'm very happy I was able to get these two completed. I have paired them together because they are both in blue boxes. Their theme both starts with a B, and the theme color has blue. So I have a Batman blue box and a bunny blue box. I love the shade of blue on this box. It's also the same shade as the bunny inside. I use stickers to cover up all the words on the outside. The weather is finally getting nice here in Canada, so I have the window open, and you might be able to hear the birds chirping outside in our backyard. She has a pretty pink notebook with a blue gel pen in the wire. It would be great if these blue boxes ended up going to the same family or close friend. She has a pink backpack to put all of her items in. I love these stickers because I wanted her to be able to see some realistic looking bunnies. And then these are little stained glass coloring pages. She can use either markers or crayons to color them. And then here is her blue bunny friend. I got this at my local Pharmasave for $3, and it was normally about $15. The inside of the ear is like a very velvety soft feel, so it's very cuddly. It would also be great in a toddler box, but with everything that I found, it just fit better for a 5 to 9. She has this cute carrot container. Inside I put some little character animal friends. There's 2 calico critter bunnies, a little baby chick, a few more stickers, and then at the top there's an axolotl hatching out of an egg. And then to go with those animal friends, I gave her a little Friends Lego set. This is very springtime and bunny themed, so she could play with them together. And then this was gifted to my daughter, and we just decided to re-gift it. It's a little bag charm and the pouch. And instead of showing everything, I just did a picture of what's inside the school pouch. I love those little flower erasers. And then she has a jump rope. There's that little mini notebook. She can maybe use that for her stickers. I gave her this crazy Erin brand putty. I actually found this when I was in the States at Target for $1. And then inside this little container there is a squishy baby chick. And there's a close-up. You can see that the putty is also with the springtime theme. It's called Morning Dew Putty. A green bird whistle. And then this pouch I found at Walmart on clearance. Inside I put a toothbrush with a silicone cover, a cute bunny ring that I got at the Dollar Tree, and then a compact mirror with a brush. She has 3 pair of cotton underwear, and one of the pair has carrots all over it. And then there's some hair ties. So that's everything in that pouch. Now it doesn't look like it on camera, but this is a great quality shirt. It is UPF 50, so it's like a sunscreen kind of shirt. I just found these in bulk on Amazon, and I thought the color contrast went well with her blue bunny. She has a coloring book, and then I gave her these adorable stickers. There's little baby chicks and bunnies wearing sunglasses, and then animals wearing bunny ears. I love all the bright colors too. And then a little bunny house stickers. And that is my blue bunny box. Now I filmed this on the same day. I actually filmed this on my birthday, but I wanted to throw on my Batman hoodie This box I have been working on for about 4 years, and I finally got it completed, and this is one of my favorite boxes I'm sending off this year. So this is my Batman blue box. I love that shirt that I was able to find for him at a local independent store on clearance. I think it was $3.94. And then to go with that shirt, I found him a cute Batman mask and a cape that will match very nice with that shirt. There's yellow on the inside. And then my favorite thing in his box is his Robin, the sidekick of Batman, the little Teddy Robin. I found him at a Dollarama many years ago. I love that his cape is also yellow, just like the little boy's cape is yellow on the inside. And he's wearing a mask. And then he has a water bottle. And inside the water bottle, I packed in some Legos, and I crammed in a pair of boxer briefs. I just wrapped a hair tie around the boxers to make them fit in a little bit better. So his main toy will be Legos, and these Legos are really cool because they have little windows that you can open and doors that I will show you in a minute here. So this bag is packed full with Legos. Of course, he has to have a Lego Batman, and this little guy is so cute. His mask can come off, and he's got the funniest facial expression. So he can build a house for his Batman or his little sidekick Lego friend there. Here's one of the doors. So he can build a house, maybe a fence, whatever he would like. And there's another door. And then I gave him some more figurines that he could use to play with. There's a close-up. I also gave him some Playmobil brand Batman and Robin. Is it Batman and Robin? I'm not sure. I think so. But there's a bunch of Legos, and he'll be able to build a house and play with them however he wants. And then I gave him some squishy pencil toppers. Those are wombats, so it goes with the theme. And then these I picked up a while ago on clearance at a Winners store. They are another Batman and Robin Lego figurine. And I gave him a tote bag to put all of his Legos and toys that I've given him. And I wanted to give him some like bad guys, but that didn't look too scary. So I gave him that kind of dinosaur figurine, and then this silly, goofy dog. He's got sand in him. He can also be like a sensory toy. So I thought he'd be funny for him to use to fight off like a villain. And then he's got a Nightwing character. And then a brush and mirror. 2 toothbrushes. The one toothbrush has Batman on it. This is the coolest Batman. He has like icicle hands that you can remove, and I thought he would be perfect to fight off that big blue dog. So there it is set up. You can kind of see it. It works really well together. And then he had a ball there, blue and yellow. A Batmobile Hot Wheel. A pencil case with all the necessary school supplies. Sharpeners. I didn't show it, but he has a bat pencil in there as well. Washi tape with eraser tops in the inside of it. And then a ruler. Some colored pencils. And then a fidget poppet. And then I wanted to give him a Hot Wheel inside of its case. I heard that a lot of the boys like to open it. So I presented it like that for him. And then a Batman pencil with an eraser, like a cape as an eraser. I thought that was kind of cool. His notebook, and then a backpack for school. So the tote bag is for his toys, and then the backpack is for his school items. I gave him a straw cleaner because those can get quite dirty, so hopefully that will help. And then I wanted him to have a base to create his little Batman house, if you wanted to, on it. So I went to Dollarama, and they have these small melamine cutting boards that are food grade. So I just used double-sided tape, and I attached a Lego base on the back of the cutting board. And then he could always flip it over and use it as a writing pad or even to put food on. But I figured that way, if he had a nice solid base, he could build a nice house. And then some stickers. And that is my Batman blue box. It took a while for me to complete it, but I'm very happy with how it turned out. I would love to hear what you liked most about each box, or what blue box you liked best. For me, it's the Batman superhero themes. They've got to be one of my most difficult themes to do, so when I complete one of these boxes, it feels really good. Thank you so much for giving me some of your time. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care.